Hi, I'm Hillary with Helping of Happiness. I am so excited to show you how to make our Mummy Calzones today so that you can make these for your Halloween party or your family dinner or whatever kind of gathering you're having for Halloween this year. I'm going to show you two different ways. You can make this either as one big loaf. I like to do that when I'm doing this for my family, for a family dinner, because it's a little quicker than making a whole bunch of different ones. But I really like making the smaller individual ones. This recipe makes about a dozen if you're having some kind of a party or something, because they're easier just to grab and go. And I think the smaller ones are just a little bit softer because they bake for less time. We're gonna bake this guy at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes, closer to 35 minutes on my oven, but if your oven is running a little hot, it might be closer to 30. Now we're gonna show you how to make the little ones. So on the little ones, you're gonna preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and you're gonna get your big thing of dough and you're gonna section it off into 12 different sections. So the first little section, we're gonna shape it into kind of an oval shape, and then you're gonna make little slice marks on the sides of each side of the longer sides of that oval. And you're gonna spoon some marinara sauce onto there, sprinkle it with some cheese, place some pepperoni on there, and then you're gonna take the dough and you're gonna crisscross it across itself until you get to the very bottom, and then you can just wrap the very end of the dough underneath it to keep it from unraveling. Now you're gonna lay your little dough mummies out on your baking sheet, and then you're gonna get your egg wash and you're gonna brush it on each of your dough mummies and sprinkle a little bit of garlic powder and some kosher salt on top. If you're confused about how to do the egg wash, all it is an egg and a teaspoon of water, and you just mix it up really quickly together. When all your dough mummies are done, you're just gonna put them all in that baking sheet for 17 to 20 minutes until your mummies are a nice golden brown. And then when they come out of the oven, you could do this before or after, when they come out of the oven, you're gonna carefully place the sliced olives on top of each of the mummies to make their cute little eyes. And that's it, dinner is served. Aren't they so cute?